guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. In today's video, I'm going to introduce to you our collaboration. I'm joining another collaboration with Jack and other channels, and we call it Christmas in July collaboration. Save money with the budgeting and saving community. This consists of 8 different channels, and our goal is to get a 500 subs and 1K subs. So for the 500 it's include the channel included on this road is KD Kalagoy Budgets, myself, Lovely Budgets HK, our simplistic life, B Dennis Saves, and for the road to 1K subscribers is Amber of Cheesecake Budget, Jack of Migrant Budgeting, Tara of Save the Day with Tara, and Sus Budget. So if you're not subscribed on their channel yet, just check their channels and subscribe so that you can join us on this collaboration. So you can see all our channels who's having the collaboration, who's joining our collaboration with this thumbnail. So this collaboration is another scavenger hunt, but with the Christmas theme. That's why we call it July Christmas Story and Christmas in July. So each of us have our corresponding icons, and on the second page here, we have to write down our icons and write down the number of our corresponding icons and the number of the dice we rolled, like that. So if we rolled 4, we can write down on the second box, because the first box is for our corresponding icon and the number there. It's up to you if you will save our corresponding number. It means this one. If it's up to you if you will save with us the corresponding number or not. But for me, I will save the same. Whatever the corresponding number on the icon, I will save that. So let's roll first so that you will know and I will know which one I need to save. So should be a red roll, right? I will roll the dice. So 1. So 1, and you look for red one. So the item that I need to write down on the story is the reindeer. So we're looking for an item here. So the item is reindeer, and my icon, by now you will know that it's a gift. So write down, first we have to write down my corresponding number, which is 2, and then dice that I rolled is 1. So by this time, I will save $3, and I will not reveal here how much other channels diced, because you have to visit each of our channel daily. So before you reach me, you have to go to Jack of my girl budgeting to know how much she rolled, and you have how much you need to save, as well as the others. So after saving $3, let's say I have money here, so I need to get it from this coin purse. So let's save $3. I will not do the odd and even savings, because I want to save more. And I think I can do that. Let's see later on. So $3, and the corresponding item with what I roll is reindeer. So I need to write down here reindeer. So to get the first word in our Christmas story. I hope I didn't confuse you. But if you're confused, you can watch the channels before me that have this thumbnail. I know I'm not good at explaining, but please bear with me. So you can check each ev- every channel here that join this collaboration. I think the first one is Jack last Thursday. Friday was hold on. Friday was Kylie of KD Clogger Budgets, and then Saturday is Tara of Our Simplistic Life. Sunday is Tara of Save the Day with Tara. Monday is gonna be Victoria of Be Dennis Saves, and Tuesday is gonna be me, which is today. So I hope you follow our journey through this Discover Your Hunt. Thank you very much. And see you lovelies later. Bye for now and see ya. Bye.